could we possibly have here? What could we have here? Let's see. Oh, wait. Alright, let's see what we have. Snipping the box here. Hard to do it without looking. And over here. By the way, this cutter is by Dreyer's Ice Cream. They sponsored me, so thank you, Dreyer's. Now we're snipping the top. Let's see what we have here. Yeah. Oh. Yes! It's my PG Tips. Been waiting all year for this. England's #1 tea, it says on the front. I don't know if you can see that, trying to unfocus from there, but I ordered this based on a friend's recommendation. I'm really happy to be getting it. It does look like there's some sand in the box, but maybe that's purposeful. Hopefully the mic just heard everything I said. Okay, so I don't think I will be needing this. So I'm just gonna peel it off. And there's dirt in the package. Maybe we do need this. Very helpful. It's way too hard to open. Already not happy about this tea. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Okay. It's not gonna be easy. How in the brown do you... Oh! I got it. I believe I got it anyway. Oh. I ordered the 40 tea bag collection just to see if I enjoyed it, and I may get the 1050 if I end up liking it. Smells like England, and there's a whole bunch of dirt on my table now. Alright, let's see what the package contains. Oh, very fancy indeed. A fold-back foldy thing, and a rippable ripper. 1, 2, looks like it's all there. I will see how this is in a while, after I get a tea making tutorial. Thank you for watching.